Alrighty then. Underdog Moto Mania. Underdog Moto Mania here, back again for another electric moto vlog. We're going to be out here again on the Talaria MX4. I believe it's the newest model of Talaria. Took it out the other day, and I wasn't fully satisfied with my footage because my drone wasn't working properly, so I really just wanted to get out to the spot, launch my drone, and take a couple passes on that hill, maybe get a couple good third-person shots of me riding the bike, and we'll find out if anything else happens. Stay tuned, guys, and like, comment, and subscribe to my content. Underdog Moto Mania. Yeah, hopefully there's going to be a lot of Talaria content to come. Stay tuned. Okay, yeah, we are on sport, and ready? So weird. So right off the bat, popped it up for a tiny wheelie. We're just gonna get out to the spot. Ooh. I think the brakes feel pretty good. Okay, well, gonna try to get some footage out by the okay. Yeah, still touching 54. Brakes feel pretty legit, honestly. Now, one question I honestly don't know is if the miles reset like a trip after you charge the battery. I know the thing's got to keep track of total miles. I guess I'll take a peek. I know I was about 21 miles last time, so I can always add on to what I had there in case it does seem to be adding on. Oh boy, there are some big ass rocks down here. Oh shit. That is actually the one thing I forgot to do. Okay, well, we'll see. Okay. Ooh, through all the grass, nasty. It's so cool, I can hear the drone above me. Ah, yeah. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Try one more. Ooh. See, not much run up here. I think climb's pretty good. Feels good to get the drone launched at least. All right. Ah, man. Hopefully I got at least one good shot from there. Down to 86%. Not bad. Not bad at all. Anyway, guys, this is it. Second quick ride on the Talaria Sting MX4. Pretty nice bike. It's fun, and the wild thing on this, because I'm used to having a drone follow me on the big bikes with the loud motors, is I can actually hear the drone following me, which is pretty cool, which is pretty fucking cool. But anyway, if you like what you've seen today, oh, you like, comment, subscribe to my content. Underdog, Moto, Mania. More to come, guys, more to come. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, bros and broettes. See y'all soon. Three, two, one, and landing. Ha! Times like that, I'm happy I wear gloves. Woo! Little exit wheelie. Thing kind of zips. Oh man. Holy cow. Thing kind of zips. So checking report. 9 miles. 67% battery. Went pretty hard, did hills. Got some Skydio footage. Not bad. Not bad. Fun. Fun. A lot of fun in a short period of time. That was fantastic.